Whenever we grind the concrete, we remove material off the surface and expose what's underneath. In this case, underneath is millions of holes. We're going to want to fill those today with Totally Restore Regular and our new GRT tools, specifically formulated for grinding and filling these pores and the voids in this floor. Before we jump into grouting the floor, I just wanted to illustrate the importance of wetting the floor first with water before adding the grout. What I've got here is a little sponge just to help show you. I'm going to wet one side of the sponge with water, and on the other side I'm going to put just the Totally Restore without water, and then I'm going to apply it to the side with water, just so you can grasp the difference that it makes. The same rules apply with the concrete. The best time to hit Totally Restore is when it's starting to turn blue like we see here. This is when it's very, very sticky. At this point we know that it's taken in all the moisture and it's lined all the pores. And remember, that's vital to adhesion. Don't be concerned if it starts to dry up. We can always add some more water on top and that will reactivate it.